Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today So guys, if you don't want to use up all your green banana fries, you can freeze it. So just put it on a tray, put it in the freezer, and then put it in Ziploc bags, and you can fry whenever you are ready to use it. Okay guys, so here's our crispy, cheesy green banana fry. So let me bite into it so you can hear how crunchy it is. Can you hear that? It is nice and crunchy.